How to delete multiple messages in Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete multiple messages in Messenger. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. Now, scroll down and you will see the option for report a problem. Tap on that and in the text box you see here, go ahead and type in your issue. Make sure to be brief about your issue for quicker and better responses from the support team. Once you have entered your issue, go ahead and tap on the send button and further wait for the reply from the support team regarding your issue. So, this is how you can delete multiple messages in Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Joins for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.